Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to my dear friend and also to my lecturer Puan Adila and Puan Hidayah. Today I would like to present about our mini project that we do. In this project, I have been given responsibility to do work part. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Aisha binti Hamzah. My metric number is 04080F10F1082. I'm from the 81A. Right, so first, this file already says as Proton Cafe profile. Right, next, as you can see, Proton Cafe, this is our company name. So this tag with Calibri, and if you want to change this tag, you click here, and then it's up to you to choose what tag do you want. And this size, 48 size font, with underline and also center. Okay, right. Next, this is our Proton Cave logo. How I create this logo? First, I click to insert, and then click online picture. And then I search for cafe logo. And then next, this is our organization introduction. Company name, Proton Cafe. Address, Jalan Abdul Qadir Adabi, 50,200, Kota Baru, Kelantan. Date of establishment for April 2016. Business type, sole proprietorship business. Okay, next. This is our Proton Cave chart organization. How I create this? Firstly, I click insert and then shapes. I choose for toggle with a line arrow. So for change color, you just right click, and then format shapes, and then fills. This I already choose for background fill blue color. And if you want to change red color or yellow or something, you just right click. Okay, for text, you right click. Okay, right click, you click for edit text. Okay, next, this is our Proton Cave vision emission. It's a method too. You just click insert and then shape. At this I choose for oval, and then rectangle rounded corner, and then arrow right. Okay, for color you just right click, and then right click and then click to fill. Okay, right click and then format shapes. At this I already choose for solid fill with blue color and this with purple color. Okay, next, this is our Proton Cave address with picture, Jalan Abdul Qadir Adabi, 50,200, Kota Baru, Kelantan. Okay, so this picture, click insert and then online picture. Okay, next, this is our Proton Cave drinks and food. So how I create this picture, I just click insert and then online picture. Then I write for cafe drinks and food. Many picture at there. Okay, next, the last one will be like sales invoice. Okay, this logo I copy from page 1. I copy from page 1, and then this is our company name, and then the invoice date and reference number are using text board. Okay, next, for table shipper and supplier, firstly I create table shipper, but before that I using text board because it will be easy you to move this table. Okay, and then how to create table? Firstly you click insert and then table. Insert in the table, I choose for insert table, and then number of column will be like 1, number of row will be like 9. Okay, then you click OK. Okay, for table supplier, it will be like submitted with table shipper too. Okay, for reason for export, I create this I will click insert and then ships. I choose for rectangle, and then for color, you just right click. Okay, for mode of transport, total number of packet and gross weight. For this table, you just insert and then table. Okay, and then insert table. And then number of column will be like 3 and number of row will be like 1. And then you click OK. Okay, next, for number description, quantity, unit price and total, you just insert and then table, insert table. Okay, number of column would be like 5, number of row will be like 19. Okay, and then you click OK. Okay, the last one, thank you. Until total, you right click and then you click for borders and then you choose for inside horizontal border and it will be like this. Okay, thank you very much for spending your time to hear my presentation. That's all for me.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning to my dear friend and also to my lecturer Penadila and Penghidayah. Before I start, let me introduce myself. I am Adi Sharika binti Azizu from class D81A and my matric number 04D8020F1029. Okay, in this project I hold Excel part. Okay, so today I will explain about sale table and purchases table of a food and beverage outlet. Okay, I will write information about the item, material code, description, quantity, delivery date, price per unit, total sale and percentage. Okay, the data I got from Microsoft Word. Okay, before I calculate the total sales and price per unit. I set that currency so that so easy to I calculate. Okay, first, okay, for Americano, how to get total of sale Americano. Okay, click auto sum, and click before, and click multiplication symbol, shift and number 8. Okay, and click G4 and press enter. Okay, next for latte, cappuccino, okay, mocha. Okay, it's easy to do. Okay, just down. Okay, done. Okay, next for total sale. Okay, click sum. Okay, highlight from H4 to H13 and enter. Next for percentage. Okay, percentage equal to, click H4, divide and click H14 and enter. Next for latte, equal to, click H5, divide H14 and enter. Okay, for sales I will choose charta pie. Okay, click insert and this charta pie. Okay, you can choose your charta pie that you like. Okay, before that, highlight G3 to D13 and CTR. Okay, highlight H3 to H13. Okay, highlight and choose your charta pie that you like. Okay, for example that I have do this. Okay, this charta pie for sale. Okay, next I twist to purchases. Okay, in purchases I have item, material code, description, quantity, date of purchases, price per unit, total purchases and percentage. Okay, before I calculate, I set price per unit and total purchases to currency. Okay, easy to I calculate. Okay, first click sum. Click before. Okay, multiplication symbol, shift number 8 and G4. Okay, and enter. And next for sugar, coffee, strawberry and chocolate. Okay, just click here and write down. Okay, 2 chocolate. Okay, done. Next for total sales. Okay, click sum, highlight from H4 to H8 and enter. Okay, next for percentage equal to H4 and divide H9. Okay, and click enter. Okay, next for sugar, okay, equal to H5 divide H9 and enter. Okay, for purchases I choose charta column chart. Okay, I choose column chart. Okay, the column chart from the question. Okay, insert this column chart. Okay, and choose the you like. Okay, before that highlight the description, highlight from D3 to D9, D8 and CTR. Total purchase, highlight H3 to H8 and choose your column chart. Okay, this for example this. Okay, this that I have done. Okay, this for purchases. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to my dear lecturer, Puan Nur Adilah and Puan Nur Hidayah, and also to my fellow friends. Okay, so my name is Nur Salihah binti Abakar Sobri from class 81A and my match number is 04D8020F1078. So in this project, we have 4 members, including myself. So I was given the responsibility to do the SS part. So I want to explain to you what in our company database. So first, the database is already named as Pronto Cafe database. So if you want to create the table like customer, purchases, sales and supplier, you have to click create and select tables. And you have to, if you want to rename your table, click view and design view. So example, if you want to create your table product, you can just write the name and click OK. And for the field name, you can write also, like for example, name of product or price per unit. Price per unit. For the data type, you can choose who's that's settable for the field name. For example, auto number, short text, and price per unit. If you want for price per unit, better you choose a currency. For description, it's optional to you want to write or not. So for the how to set the primary key is first you click if you want to, okay, for example, if you want to set the name of product as a primary key, you have to click name of product and click this primary key. So they already set this is as a primary key. So if you're done with your editing, you click view again and select datasheet view, but first you must save the tables. So yes, so this is how it come up if you're done with your editing. So that's all for tables. I want to show to you the relationship of this database. But first, I must show to you how I create the relationship. First, you have to click database tools and click relationship. So it come out like this because I've already done it. But if you want to create the relationship, you must click add table first and edit relationship. For example, you can create new. Select the table that you want to do the relationship. Okay, for example, left table sales, right table is customer. But in this left column and right column, you must choose the same item if you want to create the relationship. So click OK. So they come out like this. The relationship type already have one to many. So click OK. So if you click OK, they come out like this, one to many. So the sales the primary key is mature code, and customer the primary key is customer code, and purchases the primary key is mature code, and supplier the primary key is supplier code. So the relationship between sales and customer tables is one to many, and purchases to supplier is also one to many. So this is all for me for my part is in SS. Thank you for listening for my presentation. I hope you guys enjoy.
Assalamualaikum and good morning for my friends and also my lecturer Puan Adila and Puan Hidayah. Today I would like to present about our mini project that we do. This project I do by 4 members, and my members cover on whole their parts is Word, Excel, Access, and I hold the last part is PowerPoint. This is PowerPoint. Before I start my presentations, let's I introduce myself first. I am Kak Alia Shaira binti Crosby from class D81A, and my match number is 04D81074. So you can see on your screen, this is the introduction of the presentation from PowerPoint. This is the title, Croto Cafe, and this is logo from the project. This also have the AdWords and also this, but I give the end some of the animations to make cheerful for the presentations. And also the background I choose is for you go to design and go to format background, and you find click it here and find the picture and the footer. You can give the file or you can online. So this picture from the online and use the file. And after that, before I go, you can see the first with the suspension with the wiggle, and some of the I give some musical like screaming to be very cheerful for the presenter to make the audience not worry feel boring. So we go to the next part. This is the next part. It's same the design I do, but this is I do hyperlink. This hyperlink very easy to insert. You go to the file table and find the hyperlink, and you click the hyperlinks and you find the file you want. This is the file from Words part is the Pronto Cafe profile, and you click the OK from the click the file and click OK and insert here, and you can give the end action here. You highlight this and go to the action behind this, behind the hyperlink, and give the sum of the music. So then I this is three slide. This thing I give I give the animations, and here you can see listen the audio. The audio is very easy to insert. You go to the file table and insert, and you can see the last of the insert is the audio. You can put the audio from your PC or your recording. So the audio I choose this for my PC. So I use for the next. It also same. I give the audio. This is also, and this picture I from insert from the online picture, and I group this and give the animations. Also, this use the same part hyperlink Excel. This is copy from the Excel part and give the animation for the graph and this table pie chart, and also this from the tables and from the graph column, chart column, and go to the this is the access. They are also same from the words and access, but this you refer to file access. Also same for the background. This is customer and supplier. This is you must screenshot and give the animations and give the sum of transitions, and also this, and you can add the audio. This is I group first and I give the animations, and also this. So the last for me, I want to say thank you before our learning. I hope that you're happy for
Thank you.
my presentation about how I do the PowerPoint in my part. Thank you.